Hello friends, I'm Sagnik. Welcome to Curly Braces. So friends, today we will learn how to draw a satellite in Adobe Illustrator. You can draw this satellite very easily using shapes, which will be very simple. So let's start. At first, I'll take a page of 1920 by 1810 size. I'll take the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle just like this. I'll give this rectangle a light gray color and no stroke. So now I'll select the top two corners using the direct selection tool and then round them a little, just like this. So now I'll take again the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle over here. Before drawing that, I will shade two margins over here. Now I'll take the rectangle tool and then draw here the rectangle just like this, and then give it a light blue color, which will be this one. Then with the direct selection tool, I'll round the corners a little. Okay, so now I'll delete these two margins. Now place it a little bit over here and then increase its size and make it just like this. Now I'll take again the rectangle tool and then draw here a rectangle. Okay, which I will give a more darker gray color, this one, and then using the direct selection tool I will select this anchor and then drag it over here. Now I'll again take the rectangle tool and then draw here a rectangle. I'll give it this blue color, this one. Okay. Now here I will draw another rectangle. Now I'll give it this color only, and then with the direct selection tool I'll select this anchor and then drag it outside, and then select this anchor, drag it outside. Now this structure is ready. Now I'll again take the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle just like this, and then give it this color. Now I'll take the rectangle tool and then draw here a rectangle again and give it a gray color, which will be this one. Right click, arrange, send it to back. Now I'll take the ellipse tool and draw here a circle. I'll give this circle this blue color and then place it over here. Now our basic structure is created. So now I'll start the rectangles that are present on the side of that satellite. So for that I'll take the rectangle tool and pressing shift on the keyboard, I'll draw here a square. I'll give this square this blue stroke outline, means this blue stroke and no color. Now I'll select this and then increase its stroke weight and make it just like this. Now pressing Alt on the keyboard, I will drag a new copy and place it over here. Now I'll select this and then go Ctrl D, and one more T. Okay, I'll select the whole structure, make them as a group, and now I will make them as a group and then place it over here. Again select it, make them as a group and then place it over here, and then Ctrl D one more, yeah, just like this. Now pressing Shift F7, I'll open the align panel and then align them. Now what I'll do, I'll select this, make them as a group and then decrease their size and then place it over here. But before that, I'll take the rectangle tool and then draw here a rectangle with blue color and no stroke. Stroke will be none. And then I'll place it over here and then increase its size just like this, and then increase its size from here also. Okay, now I'll select the whole structure, make them as a group, then add and send it to back. I'll select the whole structure and then right click, transform, reflect, and then copy. So now I'll place this one over here and then fit it properly. Okay, so let me place, I will ungroup it one time. So let's ungroup these two things, ungroup, and then what I will do over here, I'll select this and then place it at the down part, this one. Okay, and select this one and place it over here. Okay, so our structure is ready, so I'll select this, make group, this, make group. Okay, now I'll start the highlights over here. For the highlights, what I will do, I'll take the rectangle tool and draw here the rectangles. So here one, I'll first draw all the rectangles needed. So I'll give it and then I'll cut out them. So now I'll draw another rectangle. Here one, and I'll give it a darker color, which will be this one. Now again take the rectangle tool, and draw here a rectangle, and then give it this a darker color, this one. No, using the eyedropper tool, I'll only select this color as these two colors are same. Okay, now I'll again take the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle from here to here with a much darker color. Now I'll draw the next rectangle for this one, which will start from here and end up to here. Okay, I'll give it a darker color, this one. Now I'll draw another rectangle over here from this part to this part, and then give it this color as these two colors are same, and then draw another rectangle here to here with this color. Okay. Now I will place these two things in the middle first. Okay, yeah, here over. Now I'll also add a effect over here, means the highlight. So here and to here. with a darker color. Sorry, really sorry. I'll give it a darker color. Yeah, okay. Now I'll adjust this place as a place is here also, so I'll adjust it. Now I'll select this one, arrange into front. Now I'll also add a shadow means effect to this, but before I'll create these things also. Means I have to cut out these things and then I will create the shadow or the highlight for this one. So I'll get the shape builder tool and pressing Alt on the keyboard, I'll cut out this part, sorry, and then this part, and yeah, I think I've cutted all the things. Yeah, we have cutted all the things. Now I'll create the shadow for this one. Okay, so for this one, I'll pressing Alt on the keyboard, I'll drag a new copy of it and place it over here, select the structure and then cut out this part using the shape builder tool. I have pressed Alt on the keyboard and then cut out it. Now I'll give it a darker color, which will be this one. Now I'll select this and increase its size a little first. Now arrange into back. Sorry. What I have to do is bring to front. You have to select this one and make it arrange into front. Okay. Yeah, so all of the shadows are created, but here I'll add one more shadow using the pen tool. So I'll draw a straight line from here and here, which I will give a white color stroke and no color. And now pressing Ctrl F10, I'll bring up the stroke panel and then round it caps and then increase its stroke weight. Yeah, our satellite is ready, but I think I need to increase this size a little more. This rectangle, yeah. All the things are ready over here. So now the only thing I have to do is to make the background. Our satellite is created. So let me rotate it into -45 degrees. So I'll do this using pressing Shift on the keyboard and then rotate it. Yeah, now I'll select this, make them as a group and then place it over here. Okay, so I'll take the rectangle tool and then click on the screen and then give the width 1920 and here 1810. So here we get the size of the rectangle of the size that we have of the size of our page. I'll give it a much darker color, arrange, send to back. Yeah, now I'll place it over here. Place it correctly. Sorry. This is ready. Now I'll take the brush and then what I will do, I'll change the stroke color to white and then draw here some stars. Yeah, our background is too ready. So now I'll go to the layers panel and then lock the background layer, which is black. So here our satellite is created and with the background it is looking too good. So friends, if you like our today's video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So friends, thanks for watching.